End zone or a quick out route to try to get in field goal range. Looks like they're going to go deep. Dalton to the end zone, down the field, and it is deflected and caught! Touchdown! A.J. Green! Prayer answered for the Bengals!
Okay. Forget about all that strategy, the timeout use, the clock management. You know what? Just throw it up to A.J. Green. Forget all of that stuff. What a play. Look at this bundle of guys, and A.J. Green just staying alive. Once that ball's tipped, those guys can pull him down, grab him, keep him away. 3 Browns.
And they're trying to.
There's 4 or 5 Browns, 3 Bengals. A.J. Green pulls it down.
That's incredible concentration. 3 guys hanging on him, and he still manages to keep his eye on that ball, keep his poise, and pull it in.
Or just depend on the deep guys to knock it away.
Garrard steps up, fires. Mike Sims Walker knocked down. Oh, he caught him! Oh, unbelievable! Mike Thomas! Touchdown, Jags! Ball game! 50 yards! Whoa! David Garrard, big, strong arm QB.
David Garrard buys enough time for the receivers to get down there, and you said it, Mike Sims Walker's going to go up for it, but it's knocked to the ground right into the hands of Mike Thomas. Glover Quinn knocks it down with both hands like a volleyball player, spiking it over the net right into the catch of Mike Thomas. Unbelievable.
He didn't even have the ball cocked and ready to go. Here we go. Dalton going for it all. Tipped in the air, caught by the Bengals. A.J. Green. What a mistake by the Ravens. You swat the ball down. You don't pop it up. Right there, Ihedebo, I'm not sure what he was thinking. He's the last guy, and that ball's on its way to the ground, and he sticks out his left hand and knocks it up into the air. Right there. It's like, it looked like Ihedebo was playing volleyball.
But can the receivers get far enough down the field? Rodgers in trouble. It's going to get there. He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone. It is caught for the win. Richard Rodgers with a walk-off touchdown. A game ender for the Packers. Total disbelief at Ford Field. The Packers saved by the face mask call, given one last chance. And Aaron Rodgers heaves it as far as he can. And Richard Rodgers boxing out in the end zone for the touchdown. The son of a former Cal football player who was involved in the band play, one of the all-time game enders in football history, the Stanford-Cal game of years ago, 1982. Now the son comes up with the play of his own.
Well, right from the start, again, you let Aaron Rodgers out of the pocket.
He's a good-looking talent, although he's been inactive at the start of the season. Third rounder out of the Sun Devils. Hoyer loads it up, fires it to the end zone, and it is caught, I believe. He's got it. It's Strong. We just talked about him. Comes in really for the first time this season and makes the the play for the touchdown to end the half.
perfect throw by Brian Hoyer, throwing it high, giving the guys time to get to the end zone. But really what's disturbing, watch the defensive backs for the Indianapolis Colts. Nobody gets it. They're knocking each other off the football. And good job by Strong going up and getting that catch.
I'd only seen Strong on the field 1 or 2 snaps before this. He was the highest drafted of the rookie receiving corps.